Highway 12 between mile markers 213 and 223. It's outdoors. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Baraboo, or near Baraboo, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Portage, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, Lake Delton, West Baraboo, Bluffview, North Freedom, Merrimack, Rock Springs, Harmony Grove, Hockey, Interstate 90/94 Interchange, and Devil's Lake State Park. Those attending event venue name or location are in the path of the storm and should prepare for imminent dangerous weather conditions. Seek shelter now. People attending the Sauk County Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, and Kilbourne Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the